What is the best way to prepare for an open book exam? Imagine walking into your exam feeling confident because you know exactly how to use your resources and apply your knowledge. That's the goal when preparing for an open book test. Unlike traditional exams that focus on memorization, open book exams test your ability to analyze, connect ideas, and solve problems using your materials. To succeed, start by understanding the exam format and what materials you are allowed to bring. Will you have access to textbooks, notes, or digital resources? Knowing this helps you plan your study approach. Next, organize your resources so they are easy to navigate. Use tabs, bookmarks, or color-coded highlights to mark key sections in your textbooks and notes. Creating a quick reference sheet with formulas, definitions, and main ideas can save you time during the exam. Focus your study time on mastering core concepts and understanding how they relate to each other. Instead of trying to memorize everything, aim to grasp the big picture and key details. Practice applying what you've learned by answering questions that requiring you to think critically and solve problems. Use past exams or sample questions to simulate real test conditions. Time yourself to improve your speed and get comfortable with finding information quickly. During the exam, read each question carefully and identify the main point. Use your organized materials to verify facts but avoid wasting time searching. Relying on your understanding to explain concepts clearly and connect ideas across different topics. Managing your time is essential. Allocate enough minutes to answer each question and leave some time at the end to review your work. Remember, having resources available doesn't mean you can just look up answers. It's about knowing where to find information fast and applying it effectively. The more you practice this process, the more confident you will feel on exam day. From a study hacks perspective, success in open book exams depends on preparation and strategy. Make your notes easy to navigate, practice applying concepts under timed conditions, and develop quick reference skills. Stay aware of the clock so you can finish all questions comfortably. When you combine thorough preparation with smart organization and practice, you turn the advantage of having resources into an opportunity to demonstrate your true understanding.